Hello wood turners and makers, and a warm welcome back to my channel. Right, for this week's project we're going to put the number 2, the scrap wood piece on. If you remember a couple of weeks ago you voted on 1 or 2. Obviously number 1 won the winning vote to turn. I'm going to get this one on because there was a 4 or 5 of you that wanted to see this one done, so I thought let's do this one as well for you. So let's get this on the lathe and let's see what we can do with it. I've got it on a face plate so we can get it mounted on the lathe, so we'll see you at the lathe. Okay then, right, it's now mounted on. I'm going to be using the 3/8 ball gauge on it. Speed. Right, we'll get this all trued up. Started off at 800 for now, so that is looking quite nice now, that is. So we'll turn this round now and get a recess on it so we can get it turned around onto the lathe. That's about it. Right, so I'll get that bottom all rubbed down, a bit of finish on it, so we can get ready to flip this round. I'll only rub down the bottom and put a finish, the finishes on it, and then because we can concentrate on that later on. It's only that what's going to be turned around onto the chuck, so I'll speak to you again in a minute. Okay, and welcome back. Right, we've got it off the face plate now, flip round onto the chuck so we can get going again. So I'm going to still just play around with the shape of this now, and I think we should be there about with that. allow for at the bottom, so if I check it about there, we'll just check that. To be honest, if I drill it smack on with that tape now, that will be the depth that I want. That is it. Right, so I'm going to swap over now and use, if I can find it, where I am, the Simon Alp 6mm O-ring, and then start having a go. I think I'll be a bit better off with this. Okay, welcome back. Right, so it's all rubbed down now from 120 down to 240. So it's now time to put some sanding sealer on, and that is the sanding sealer that I do use for the new viewers that have come over to my channel. So we'll get some of this on there, a little cap. And we'll start applying this on. Okay then, so that's on there now. I shall put another coat of wood wax 22, and then obviously I will put the crystalline wax on, just to help with angling it. So once I've done all that, I'll meet you over the signboard and we'll have a look at the piece and have a little chat about it. Till then. Okay then guys, and there we are. That is my plant pot. That is the bottom, as you can see. That is the inside. So it stands roughly at 5.5 inches exactly from the bottom to the top, and then the width is 3.5 inches. So, and the reason why I've got one of these, it's water doesn't leak out of it, and it can sit in there like so. So that is it. So that is what I've done. with the scrap pieces of wood, which the piece that I called number 2, when we was all voting for it, and that poor thing didn't get the vote, so, but I thought, why not, let's put it on the lathe and turn it. So I hope you've enjoyed what I did do with it. A big thumbs up to you, all of you that have subscribed to my channel. It does help my channel a lot, so please, if you wouldn't mind, please share it around, give me that thumbs up and press that squidgy button. Till the next time, bye now.